Okay, so I'm doing another unboxing video. And my scissors hurt, so think about here. And here it is. Start singing along or to open these things. The fucking scissors on my hands would be great. This is a backpack. Godspeed CD-ROM drive with a sound card integrated. That's the features. That's our requirements, which is pretty sad. I mean, just when I was about to put an 86 back into it. Yeah, we have CIB. Try to take this thing out without damaging the box itself. Calm down for a second. Truth. I just have to figure out how to get this thing, how to get this cardboard disassembled out here. I think it's pull these out one by one here. You got the installation diskettes, the instruction guide. The diskettes. I'm going to be digitized. I'm going to be backing those up. The original power brick itself. The parallel cable that connects to the back of the CD-ROM drive. Last but not least, let's take these floppies, shove them over here. Last but not least, the CD-ROM drive. This is what it looks like in the back. Yellow toggle switch for turn the drive on and off. And then you connect that to the computer. You hook up your printer to this. A CD audio output, auxiliary mic, line in, line out, speaker. So yeah, this thing has a built-in sound card. I believe it is the 1688, or maybe it's a 688. Take a look at the instruction manual. Now I got the manual. I swear every time. Every freaking time. Timer is that way. Well, anyway, on there it says 16 and 8-bit serial playback recording. As if so I think this is a 680 or a 1688. I'll have to look it up and see. But anyway, that's all there is to it. I'll make sure I really protect these discs. Image them on my laptop and post them online in case anyone has something like this they want to do the same exact thing with. Installation, user's guide on floppy, which is actually pretty cool that they have it on floppy. Of course, can't forget the power brick. And last but not least, all that. There we are.